Green Valley is one of the largest manufacturers of rubber floor mats in China. Today we'll give a brief introduction to one of the coil products. Green Valley rubber rolls are mainly made of SBR rubber granules and EPDM rubber granules. Those materials are very environmentally friendly and recyclable, so this product also had this advantage. In addition, it is characterized by anti-skid, wear resistance, sound absorption, shock absorption, long service life, and strong weather resistance, such as gyms, leisure sports centers, production workshops, even under household floor tiles or the washing machine. If you are worried about the process of laying the coil is a trouble, then you do not have to. The process is simple. First, unpack and lay each rolls in their positions. Second, cut the rolls to fit wall corners where necessary. Third, roll up the rolls and put aside. Apply glue on the floor. Fourth, lay the rolls on the floor again. Cover the rolls with heavy objects to make sure they are evenly stuck to the floor base. Let's have a look at the comparisons to see product performance. The area on the left shows Green Valley products, and the right area shows other common products. As you can see, the difference is clear. There are some composite products including composite lock, SBR rolls, SBR with colored dots, colored rolls, and so on. Green Valley supports customization and can help you with any color. If you want to have more information, please visit the website.